All right, guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and picked up a new inflatable paint booth, and I'm super excited about this, guys. I got it from company Ejaee, and this is going to be something that's going to help me out a lot. But guys, I'm gonna open this up and inflate this thing. But before we do that, guys, if you would like to support the channel, pick up some merchandise. I'll put a link in the description. All merchandise sales go directly into helping this channel, so pick up some merchandise. I'll put that link down in the description. All right, guys, here we go. Here's an inflatable paint booth. This is 24 by 15 by 12, and the company is Ejaee. And guys, the reason I got this, as I get more stuff, I got engines on the floor, bumpers, parts. It is harder and harder to paint cars in here, so we are gonna be either painting them here, or just with the inflatable paint booth, I'm gonna set this thing up in the backyard at my house. Got a pretty big backyard, and we're gonna paint some cars that way. All right, guys, so I got this thing opened up. I think it's set up to where I'm gonna go ahead and inflate it, and we're gonna see how it goes up. All right, guys, so we got both of the blowers set up, and we're getting ready to inflate this. Now, it comes with areas that you can zip up to deflate them and close the air supply off so it blows up, inflates. But it's new out the box. I can't find those, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the fans on, and we're gonna try to find where the leak's coming from if it doesn't want to inflate. Hopefully those are zipped up, but if not, we'll figure it out. We'll find them. Justin, go around and make sure nothing's dragging. All right, guys, so right there is where that zipper is, and it's not allowing the inflatable to go up anymore, so we gotta zip that up, and it's gonna allow it to go up. It's recording, man. It's recording. up and record. Back up and record everything. All right, guys, so we got this thing set up. I got that front part closed down, and this thing is good to go. I'm super excited about this. I can't say I'm excited too many times because I have wanted one of these for a long time. So I'm gonna put this thing to use, and this is gonna be great. We got the filters, the covers, and all of that stuff that we need. I'm not gonna set that up till I'm ready to paint a car. But guys, this thing, look at this thing. We got circulation here and filters here. So that's great. And we got the filters that go on the walls. I'm super excited about this, guys. Big shout out to Ejaee. I picked exactly what I wanted on their website, ordered this thing, got here pretty quick, and I'm excited about this. I needed one of these things, and I paint, so on the channel I do a lot of project cars, and this is gonna help out a lot. So big shout out to Ejaee, and yeah, this thing looks pretty good. Today, I'm gonna be sanding and repainting this roof. I got some problems going on, and I'll show you guys what's going on. So, the roof is starting to crack. Hopefully you guys can see this, but yeah, it's starting to crack. So, over here, I don't know exactly what's causing that, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it down and repaint it. I think it's because I used a single stage with a clear, too many layers of paint build up, and it's starting to crack. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. All right, guys. So I'm using 320 grit, and I'm just gonna take this down and try to get all these scratches off. All right, so some of these scratches, you know, it kind of goes down deep from where the primer was, but you can see in here the primer's cracking too, so I gotta take this down a lot. Alright guys, so we got this thing taped up, ready to primer, and we're just gonna spray some 2K primer on it, high build primer, and once we do that, we'll wet sand and start to paint.
All right, guys, so we got this roof primed up and there's no more cracks. Now we are gonna wet sand this, but we're gonna wait about 20-30 minutes, let this dry up. The can says it needs about 20 minutes, but we're gonna let this dry up and then we'll start wet sanding it. All right, guys, so we're just wet sanding right now, and we're gonna take this thing down with some 400 grit, get it nice and smooth, and we're ready for paint.
Pump, pump, pump it up. Pump, 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 pump it up.
It's gonna lean. Mary, push that side over. Right there. Whoa, not all the way. Go push the other side over.
He didn't even touch it.
Hey, Jesse, pull the bottom while Stephanie holds that. Yeah, right there. There we go. All right, guys, so got this thing in here, bagged up, ready to spray. I'm liking the booth right now, so we're gonna get to spraying. I got the filters on, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so we got 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear, and we are all done, wrapped up. Super excited about this booth. This thing is, it's great. And if you can see, I already got like less dust, less stuff in the paint, so it's gonna work out better than me painting the cars in the shop. All right, guys, we got the booth set up and the Civic is drying in there. We finished up. I'm super excited about this. This thing is doing its job. Now, one of the things we had to do, we had to use Jesse's car there to tie this thing down. Mike's car over there tying it down on the outside, and we have it tied up to the building. It was a little bit windy earlier. It was a little bit windy, so the wind kind of almost lifted this thing up, but you know, it didn't. And we got it strapped down, painted the car inside. Super excited about it. All of, you know, guys, when I usually paint the car in the building, you see a lot more dust, a lot more stuff fall into the paint. The paint booth is cleaner. It's a cleaner way to do it. So we should have better paint jobs in the future, and we're gonna get on that kind of stuff. And I got a couple more projects to work on. So, but right now, guys, for this one, I'm gonna wrap it up. Big shout out to Ejaee for getting this booth out quick. And that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Guys, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at 79th Productions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys. On the bottom of the, right there where you are. To the bottom. Nope. Right there. Yep. Unzip it. That's gonna let the air out.
Yours zip too, by the way.
See how it's coming down out there now?